Morning. I'm out here with Joel Bryant. His YouTube channel is Joel Bryant. He's doing some land fishing. He's got his metal detector down here at the dam, Pennington Creek. This is where I found the Apple Watch and some knives and stuff. So we got quite a bit of rain this morning, and it's too muddy to for me to do any diving. I knew it was going to be, so I think I'm just gonna grab my fishing pole and just see if I might be able to catch a fish. I'm not gonna video a whole bunch of it because I don't have my GoPro. He's got his, but I don't have mine. So I'll probably do a couple little videos throughout if he finds something cool. He did find this, which I thought was cool. I mean, that's pretty far out lure. Awful big for down here. Anyway. So as you can see, it's flowing pretty good. It's awful dark and muddy. You can see my brother, he's over there with his wife. We're gonna do some little fishing, me and his wife. So I got her fishing. I got her using a Roadrunner, and I'm using, it looks like a Red Devil, but it's like a fake Red Devil. But we're just gonna try it. I mean, nothing else to do.